What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about RCBC credit cards with no annual fee for life. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga eligible credit cards ni RCBC which is pwede siyang ma-convert into no annual fee for life. I-share ko sa inyo kung magkano yung spending requirements kasi to be honest guys, wala pong ino-offer na as is no annual fee for life credit card si RCBC. It requires spending requirements. So nais kong i-share sa inyo guys para at least hindi kayo mag-expect na wala palang credit card si RCBC ino-offer na as is siya na no annual fee. It requires spending requirement para ma-convert into no annual fee for life. I-share ko sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga credit cards na yon na qualified or eligible for that promo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, RCBC offers a no annual fee for life or NAFFL promotion for new to RCBC principal credit card holders who apply online and meet specific spending requirements within 60 days of activation or card activation. So as you can see dito guys, promotion to new RCBC principal credit card holders. So meaning, yung mga new clients ni RCBC na mag-a-apply pa lang ng bagong RCBC credit card, yung qualified for this promo. Kaya naman, if meron na kayong existing credit card sa RCBC, so sad to say, hindi na po kayo qualified. Ngayon, keep on watching guys para at least ma-share ko sa inyo, maging aware kayo kung ano yung mga credit card na yun na at least pwede siyang i-convert into no annual fee for life. At huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa guys kasi minsan nag-o-offer sa RCBC ng promo which is sometimes nagpo-post nila or di kaya nagpapadala sa SMS which means kung ano yung registered mobile number ninyo. Doon nila pinapadala yung text message na yun or alerts na kung saan, halimbawa kung ano yung credit card na meron kayo, like for example, ngayon, is credit card holder kayo ng RCBC. So mamaya, may promo pala si RCBC na kailangan nyo lang mag-spend ng certain amount para ma-waive yung annual fee or annual membership fee ng hawak mong RCBC credit card ngayon. Kaya naman guys, make sure lang na nakatuon kayo or nakamonitor kayo sa mobile number or sa cellphone number at saka sa email na nakalink sa RCBC credit card ninyo. Kasi yung mga bago pa lang na mag-a-apply sa RCBC, yun lang yung qualified for this promo which is may spending requirement lang tapos automatic nang mawi-waive into no annual fee for life or mako-convert into no annual fee for life yung in-applyan nilang RCBC credit card. Key details for RCBC no annual fee promo. Eligibility. As you can see, new to RCBC principal applicants with an existing credit card from another bank at least 9 to 12 months old. So as you can see guys, here, tulad ng sabi ko, new to RCBC principal card holder applicants, tapos may existing credit card kayo from other bank. So pag sinabing other bank, ibang credit card yon. So ibang issuer company, ibang bangko yon. Which is at least 9 to 12 months old. So kailangan 9 na buwan hanggang 12 buwan nyo na siya ginagamit para ma-qualify kayo para makapag-apply ng new RCBC credit card. Application method. Apply via RCBC credit website, official social media ads, or authorized online affiliates. Yung example dito guys sa online affiliates is yung MoneyMax. So watch out lang kayo guys kung ano yung mga eligible credit cards ni RCBC which is convertible into no annual fee for life para sa mga new applicant ng principal credit cards. Spend requirement within 60 days of activation. So ito na guys kung magkano nga ba yung kailangan yung spend. Kung halimbawa kung ano yung in-applyan ninyong credit card ni RCBC. Tapos na-approve. Ngayon, nais kong i-share sa inyo kung magkano yung kailangan yung spend para ma-waive yan for the rest of your life, yung RCBC credit card annual fee or annual membership fee ng na-applyan at na-approve na credit card ninyo sa RCBC. 30,000 pesos plus para sa mga RCBC Flex Visa, Flex Gold Visa, AirAsia credit card, Landmark and Sons Mastercard. So as you can see naman guys, kung yung in-apply yung credit card is yung RCBC Flex Visa, Flex Gold Visa, or AirAsia credit card or Landmark Anson's Mastercard, kailangan nyo mag-spend ng 30,000 plus para ma-convert into no annual fee for life yung RCBC credit card na yon. Then next guys is 60,000 pesos naman yung kailangan nyong i-spend para ma-waive yung annual fee for life ng Visa Platinum ni RCBC at saka yung RCBC Mastercard Platinum, Black and Diamond, JCB Platinum, and Union P Diamond RCBC credit cards. So ito yung mga credit card guys na kung saan kailangan nyo mag-spend ng 60,000 plus para ma-convert into no annual fee for life. As you can see, RCBC Visa Platinum, RCBC Mastercard Platinum or Black Diamond, then JCB Platinum, and UnionPay Diamond. Then, ito naman yung mga credit card guys na kailangan nyo mag-spend ng 100,000 plus para ma-convert into no annual fee for life, yung RCBC Visa Infinite. So, kailangan mo lang mag-spend guys, as you can see, 60 days from the activation. But disclaimer lang guys, sometimes, pag walang offer si RCBC, hindi po ito pwede. Ngayon, kung nag-apply kayo tapos ongoing yung promo ni RCBC which is may spending requirement lang para ma-waive into no annual fee for life, yung in-applyan ninyong RCBC credit card, then much better. Kaya naman guys, tips ko lang sa inyo, before kayo mag-apply sa RCBC credit card, alamin nyo muna kung may ongoing promo sila na kung saan mag-spend lang kayo ng certain amount, then mawi-waive into no annual fee for life yung credit card na a-applyan ninyo. 120,000 naman is kailangan nyo i-spend para ma-waive yung annual fee for life ng RCBC World Mastercard. Take note guys, 60 days from the activation. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon. Excluded transactions. So ito yung mga excluded transactions guys na hindi kasali kapag ginamit ninyo kapag sabi nyo, okay, magka-cash advance ako para at least makaabot ako ng 120,000. Hindi po kasali yung cash advance as you can see. Excluded transactions is cash advances, balance transfer, quasi-cash, or gambling, and money transfers. Nais kong malaman ninyo guys na yung quasi-cash is hindi po siya kasama. Pag sinabing quasi-cash is yung magka-cash in kayo using that credit card into alam mo yun, gambling site. So, bawal po yun. At the same time, yung cash advances, and then kung nag-balance transfer kayo, hindi po qualified yun. And of course, yung money transfer. Ngayon, ito yung participating cards, guys. Common participating cards ni RCBC credit cards na convertible into no annual fee for life kapag nakapag-spend kayo ng certain amount na spending requirement, then mawi-waive into no annual fee for life. Ito yung mga common included credit cards ni RCBC. Common included cards are Flex Visa, Flex Gold Visa, JCB Platinum, Mastercard Platinum, and Visa Platinum ni RCBC. Disclaimer guys, no, nais ko lang malaman ninyo, promos change. Always check the official RCBC credit cards website for the latest mechanics. As you can see naman, promos change. Take note na kailangan nyo munang alamin before kayo mag-apply ng RCBC credit card kung may ongoing promo ba sila na kung saan yung a-applyan ninyong credit card is pwede siyang ma-convert into no annual fee for life kapag nakapag-spend kayo ng spending required amount. So, nais kong malaman ninyo guys para hindi nyo ako balikan at i-bash na okay, ganun pala yung nangyayari. Gusto ko malaman ninyo guys na kung may ongoing promo lang po si RCBC, ito maa-apply. So yun guys, take note lang guys na credit cards yan. It contains confidential details na kung saan kapag na-leak or na-expose yung credit card details, delikado siya. Kaya naman keep it in private guys. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph K, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!